Did you know that the average household wastes over 30% of their food every month, much of it from poor meal prep and storage? That's over $1,500 a year straight into the trash. Now imagine being in the middle of a crisis, when every bite counts, and realizing you've wasted precious food you could have preserved or prepped ahead of time. In a survival situation, wasted food isn't just money lost. It could mean the difference between security and hunger. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, your go-to channel for survival skills, smart prepping, and staying ready for anything. In today's unpredictable world, meal prepping isn't just a trendy kitchen habit, it's an essential survival skill. More and more preppers are turning to meal prepping as a way to maximize their resources, stretch their supplies, and stay prepared for emergencies big or small. Not only does it save you time and money, but it keeps your food organized, preserved, and instantly ready for action when you need it most. But let's be honest, meal prepping isn't always easy. People often struggle with finding the time, organizing ingredients, or keeping meals fresh and appealing over several days or weeks. And for preppers who rely on long-term, reliable food solutions, this challenge gets even bigger. So how do you simplify it? Here are some powerful hacks. Batch cooked meals you can mix and match, like rice, beans, grilled meat, and veggies, stored separately for endless combinations. Use vacuum-sealed bags and airtight containers to extend shelf life and avoid spoilage. Invest in versatile ingredients like oats, canned goods, and frozen produce that can be used in multiple recipes. Plan one-pot or no-cook meals for situations where cooking isn't an option. And here's the mind-blowing hack you probably haven't tried. Turn leftovers into shelf-stable meals by dehydrating cooked dishes. Yes, with a simple food dehydrator, you can turn soups, stews, and cooked veggies into lightweight, portable meals that last for months. Just add hot water, and you've got a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed survival meal in minutes. To recap, meal prepping as a prepper isn't just about saving time. It's about smart storage, versatile recipes, and creative techniques like dehydrating leftovers that can massively stretch your food supply and keep you ready for anything. Got your own meal prep hacks? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more survival tips, prepping tricks, and food storage ideas. Subscribe now and stay one step ahead.